First, we see the final ceramic products, shining and ready to be used. What looks simple is actually the result of a long, delicate process rooted in ancient Iranian craftsmanship, a tradition that has been passed down for thousands of years. A woman, wearing a mask to protect herself from dust, carefully pours liquid ceramic slip, a mixture of clay and water, into a mold using a pitcher. This slip is the lifeblood of each piece, shaping the form that will become a beautiful cup or sugar jar. The timing is crucial. After the slip has set and partially dried, the products are gently removed from the molds, revealing the first glimpse of their future form. Next comes polishing. Another artisan takes the raw ceramic cups and carefully smooths them with water and sandpaper. This step is repeated until every surface is perfectly even, ready to receive the delicate touch of color. Now comes the most artistic stage, painting. A team of master artists hand paints each piece using watercolors, creating intricate designs of flowers, birds, and animals. Each cup or sugar jar becomes a unique work of art. No two are ever exactly alike. After painting, the ceramics rest on shelves for a full day, allowing the colors to dry slowly. Patience is key in this step, as it ensures the artwork's longevity and brilliance. Finally, the ceramics are fired in the kiln. The intense heat transforms them permanently, setting the colors and hardening the clay into strong, durable pieces. The end result? Exquisite cups and sugar jars, each carrying the story of an ancient Iranian art form. Handmade, delicate, and full of life, these ceramics connect us to centuries of history and craftsmanship every time we use them.